Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic. What happens if you vape during pregnancy? We'll break down the science and separate fact from fiction. Let's explore the facts together. So, you're thinking it's just vapor, right? Maybe it seems like a safer alternative to smoking, especially with all the marketing out there making vaping look less dangerous. It's understandable why people might think vaping is less harmful than smoking. After all, there's no smoke, no ash, and often, no strong smell. But here's the thing. While vaping might expose you to lower levels of some harmful chemicals compared to traditional cigarettes, it's definitely not harmless, especially during pregnancy. The risks are real and can be serious. Vaping introduces a cocktail of chemicals, including nicotine, heavy metals, and volatile organic compounds, directly into your body and, by extension, to your developing baby. Even the flavorings in vape juice can contain substances that aren't safe for a fetus. Nicotine itself is a big problem. It's not just addictive, it's toxic for developing babies. It's highly addictive and messes with your body's circulatory system, constricting blood vessels. This can happen even if you're only vaping occasionally. This means less oxygen and nutrients are reaching your baby just when they need it most for healthy growth. Every stage of pregnancy is crucial for development. Think of it like this. Those tiny developing organs, the brain, the heart, the lungs, everything relies on a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood. Any disruption can have lasting effects. Restricting that flow can have serious consequences. Doctors warn that these effects can sometimes be irreversible. We're talking about potential risks of premature birth, low birth weight, and even developmental issues. Some babies may need special care right after birth. These are risks that no parent wants to take. When it comes to pregnancy, the safest choice is to avoid vaping altogether, for your health and your baby's future. Alright, let's dive deeper into how vaping directly impacts a developing pregnancy. When you vape, you're not just making a choice for yourself, you're also making a choice for your developing baby, whose body is incredibly sensitive to outside influences. We know that nicotine is public enemy number one. It's the main addictive substance in both traditional cigarettes and most e-cigarettes. And it's especially dangerous during pregnancy. It gets into your bloodstream and crosses the placenta, which acts as the lifeline between you and your baby. The placenta is supposed to provide nutrients and oxygen, but it can't filter out harmful substances like nicotine. This means your baby is directly exposed to this addictive substance even if you never touch a traditional cigarette.
Now, nicotine isn't just addictive, it's also a developmental toxin. It can disrupt the way your baby's cells grow and communicate, which is especially concerning during those early months. That means it can interfere with the normal development of organs and systems, especially the brain and lungs. These organs are forming rapidly, and nicotine exposure can lead to long-term problems with learning, behavior, and breathing. During those critical stages of development, even small exposures can have a big impact. The risks aren't just theoretical. They're backed by research showing increased chances of miscarriage, premature birth, and low birth weight.
But nicotine isn't the only culprit in e-cigarettes. These devices often contain a cocktail of other chemicals, many of which are not well regulated or fully understood. We also have to talk about those other chemicals I mentioned earlier, like formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. These are byproducts created when vape liquid is heated and inhaled. These are known carcinogens, meaning they have the potential to cause cancer. They can also irritate the lungs and may even affect the baby's immune system. Then there are the heavy metals like lead and nickel. These metals can leach from the heating coils inside the vape device and end up in the vapor you inhale. These can accumulate in your baby's body and have been linked to developmental delays and other health problems. Exposure to heavy metals during pregnancy is especially risky because it can affect the nervous system and growth.
And let's not forget about those flavorings in e-cigarettes. Many of these flavors are made from chemicals that haven't been tested for safety when inhaled, especially during pregnancy. Sure, they might make vaping seem more appealing, but many of these flavorings are actually harmful chemicals that can damage delicate lung tissue. Some have even been linked to inflammation and respiratory issues in newborns.
And here's the thing about pregnancy. It's a time of incredible vulnerability for your baby. Every choice you make can have lasting effects on their health and future. Their organs are still forming, their systems are still developing, and they're incredibly sensitive to any kind of disruption. Even brief exposures to harmful substances can have lifelong consequences. Vaping introduces a whole host of risks that are just not worth taking. Protecting your baby starts with the choices you make today. We've talked about the immediate risks of vaping during pregnancy, like how it can affect both the mother and the developing baby right away, but what about the effects that might not show up until after your child is born? The long-term consequences are still being studied, and new research is coming out all the time. However, what we know so far is raising some serious concerns among doctors and scientists. The evidence, though still developing, suggests that vaping during pregnancy could have lasting impacts on a child's health and development. For example, some studies have linked prenatal exposure to e-cigarette vapor to an increased risk of respiratory problems in children, such as chronic coughing and difficulty breathing.
We're talking about things like asthma, wheezing, and even more frequent or severe asthma attacks that can make everyday life harder for kids. There's also an increased susceptibility to respiratory infections, meaning these children might get sick more often or have a harder time recovering from common illnesses. And remember how we talked about nicotine affecting brain development? That risk doesn't end at birth. Some studies suggest that children exposed to e-cigarettes in the womb may be at a higher risk of attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, learning difficulties, and other behavioral problems that can affect their performance in school and social situations.
This is a relatively new area of research, and scientists are still working to understand all the possible effects. But the potential for long-term consequences is definitely there, and it's something experts are watching closely. It's one of those situations where it's better to err on the side of caution, especially when it comes to your child's future health and well-being. Think of it this way: your child's health is an investment that starts before they're even born. The choices you make during pregnancy have the potential to impact their health, growth, and happiness for their entire life. It's about protecting their future, giving them the best possible start, and making decisions that minimize any potential risks, because every choice matters. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Remember, knowledge is power, and making informed decisions about your health during pregnancy is crucial. Stay healthy and take care.